Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: USB debugging enabled, enough battery, and a stable connection. Plug your Xiaomi into a PC or keep it on Wi-Fi, then open Xiaomi Cloud and Google Photos Trash to look for quick restores. Once done, install a trusted recovery app from the Play Store. You need an app that can scan internal storage. This first step sets permissions and access so the recovery tool can read deleted picture blocks. Without that, deeper scans won't work. Now run the app and grant any required permissions. If the app requests root and you don't have it, use non-root mode, but no results may be limited. Select internal storage, filter for image types like JPG, PNG, or HEIC, and begin a deep scan. This reads freed blocks where deleted photos may remain. As it runs, you'll see thumbnails. Recover the largest intact files first. Make sure to save recovered images to external storage or PC to avoid overwriting remaining data. Complete recovery by exporting found photos to your PC or an SD card. Do not save them back to the same internal storage, because writing new data can overwrite recoverable files. If key images don't appear, make a second pass with a different recovery tool or try a computer-based scanner that reads the device as mass storage. If those fail and the photos are critical, consider professional recovery. However, make sure to explain you did not overwrite the device to maximize success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.